Hi, my name's Joe, owner of C Feeds and Hatchery in Queen Creek, nestled out here in the beautiful Santan Mountains. It is February, after a rain, so it's a little muddy, very humid out right now. But you'll get the idea. You'll see some beautiful birds, and I hope you come on out, check us out. Over here we've got some beautiful Rhode Island Reds. These chickens over here are excellent, really excellent layers. They lay about 330 eggs a year. One of the best production layers out. Lots of chicks hatching daily. These are called white leghorns. White leghorns are another terrific production layer. White leghorns are typically what you see when you go to the store and pick eggs up. They're usually from a variation of a white leghorn chicken. Our white leghorns, though, lay a super jumbo egg. Alright, this brings us to the beautiful and one of my favorite mille-fleurs. They're called mille-fleur d'uncles, a very rare chicken. Beautiful colored, that means 1,000 colors. And let me tell you, they have 1,000 colors, there's no question about that. We do have the black varieties, the porcelain varieties, and the standard 1,000 color mille-fleurs, and our mille-fleurs, we have a rooster here that's taken a first place at the fair. Let's not forget about naked necks, one of my personal favorites. You either love them or you hate them. The naked necks, also known as Transylvania Turkins. We have the mini variety, the bantam variety. A lot of fun, a lot of character. A very odd look to them, definitely something, a conversation piece for sure of the chickens. A lot of fun. The naked necks, hatching daily out here. All different colors, by the way. Moving on along, you can see all around us we've got lots of turkeys. Turkeys everywhere. We've got about 15 varieties of heritage turkeys. Everything from Eastern Wilds, Narragansett, Black Spanish, New Jersey Buff. We have Royal Palms. We also have the blue and the chocolate Royal Palms. We have, let's see, we also have some bronze. We also have some blue slate. We have a lot of different turkeys, beautiful turkeys, all different types. I think we're probably the largest turkey hatchery out here in the Southwest for sure. Alright, moving along. Here we have some barred rocks, and if you take a look You will also see some cuckoo marins, lots of cuckoo marins in with the barred rocks. Lots of them hatching daily. The cuckoo marins lay the dark chocolate eggs, a beautiful dark chocolate egg, jumbo sized, a very large chicken, and that's all I can say about those. Alright, check out these Americanas. I have handpicked each and every one of these birds. These Americanas produce beautiful, beautiful chicks. They lay we've got everything from a light green to a turquoise to a dark green to a light blue to a dark blue egg coming out of these Americanas daily. And they lay about an egg a day. They're a great production layer, a beautiful chicken. It's a great dual-purpose bird. Terrific free-range eating the bugs, as they all are.